Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. So this is a requested video. So I promised one of my subscribers that I promised that I'm going to be dropping it on Friday. Sorry that I didn't drop it yesterday. And so today we're going to be learning this bow. We're going to be learning. I have like 3 videos in. So this is the first one. Then this is my material that I'm showing you. I have the soft gum stay. I have my doll face. I have my scissors. I have my tape room. I have my gum. I have my beads. I have elastic. So the measurement I use in this video, I use 7 by 8 inches. You can decide to make yours wider or shorter. So I use 7 by 8 inches. Like I said earlier, you can reduce it and you can just continue the way I make it. So the next thing we're going to be doing now, I'm going to be doing a running station from the center of the bow. From the center of the bow. So ignore any background, any voice, the kids are around. So and this is another one I'm doing. I think I made 2. So it's what I'm doing is very easy. So at the center, you're going to be taking your needle inside there. Okay, just what we're doing. Then I'm going to pull this out. The next thing I'm going to be doing, one thing you can turn it if you want to. Sorry, it's not. Sorry, I have a little break there. So what you're going to do now is you're going to be just to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cover that side. You can sew it. You can use your hot glue. You can tack it with your needle and thread. Just make sure that after your work, make sure your work is very neat. So it just depends on what you want to do. So in this video, I use my needle and thread to tack it. The reason why I use my needle and thread to tack it is that after doing it, I'm still going to use pin to cover that part. So I'm going to use my pin to cover that part. And if I cover that part, the sewing part is going to this sewing part is not going to show. So just what I'm doing. Then you fold it, then you use a needle and thread. You can also use a hot glue. If you have hot glue, if you have like okay, you have an order of maybe like 50 pieces, I would advise you to use hot glue so that you can make your work very, very fast. So the next thing we're going to be doing now, so I'm done with that part. You see this gum, this is B6000. You see this B7000. I will advise you to go for B6000. Yes, in this video I later used my hot glue. If you are using your B6000, it has once you open your glue gum, it has white colors and it has like yellow color. So please go for the one that has the yellow color. That one is very, very strong. You see this white one I'm using is not that strong. So if you are going for it, use that one, or better still, use your hot glue or use your needle and thread. So in our next video again, I'm going to be teaching you how to bead turban. I have a lot of video, I requested video on that mean, and I want how to make turban. So I'm going to be showing you how to use your needle and thread, the exact needle for you so you can use them. So that is the finishing part. If you can add more to it, you can add small bead, you can add big bead. It just depends on what you want. So and this is the next one we're gonna be doing. And so in this one, you can use to pack your hair. And so the measurements for this, I'll be using 6 inches. I'll be using 6 inches. Can you see? So in that video, I think there is a mistake in the first picture. Yes, the picture that I showed earlier, I'm going to be doing it on the third one. This is the second tutorial. So in this second tutorial now, this one, I'm going to be pulling it out. Yes, I'll pull this out. I'm going to pull this out. So when you are sewing it, you are going to sew it from the beginning to the center. Then you go to the other part from the beginning to the center. Then you are going to remove this part. So I'm going to pull it out just the way I'm doing it. It's very, very easy to do. I think there's a little break in that video. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to do that part back. That's what I'm going to do. But let's go to this part, please. I think I did a mistake on this video. There's a little error on this video. Yes, I don't know. There is a little error on this video, and this video is very long. So if you don't understand anything, please just try to send so just comment below, please. So the measurement I use for this, I think I use 5 inches by 41 inches. Yes, 5 inches by 41 inches long for this. See, I think there is a mistake in this video. I don't really understand, but just let's continue. So if you have any question or you are lost, you don't understand what I'm doing again, please just comment down. I'm going to reply you immediately. So this is the, I think this is the end part of the video. Then I don't know why it started from the beginning. So, and after that I'm going to be closing that part. I'm going to be showing you detailed videos on how I made this one. So this is it. So this is it. So let's go back to this one. I think we have 6 inches by 31 inches. So the other side are going to be slicing in, just like you want to do a V shape. I'm going to cut that part. You're going to, so I'm going to sew that part. I'm going to sew the other part. Then at the center of the at the center, I'm going to be leaving a little, maybe like 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to turn it out. You're going to turn it out. So what I'm doing, we're going to turn it out. Then after you have turned it out, see what we are doing. I don't know what happened in this video. I don't know. Even I don't know. Please. So we're going to be turning this out. We're going to be turning this out. See the way I'm doing it. Make sure that shape is out. So I'm going to be repeating this video again. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be folding this part so it can give us what the shape. I'm going to, in this one, you can use it to, you can use your pin at the back. You can tack it to clothes. You can use it for many things. So I'm going to be folding just like this. So see the way I'm doing it. So I'm going to use my paper sellotape or white sellotape, any way you want. Then I'm going to fold just like that. Then at the center, I'm going to be, see the way I'm doing. So at the center, I'm going to fold it closely at the center. Then I'm going to be using my needle and thread at the center of it. Yes, I'm going to repeat this video. Yes, I'll repeat this video. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to be using your needle and thread to secure that part. Use your needle and thread to secure that part. Sorry. So I'm just trying my best to make this video. This is a requested video. I didn't plan this video. So I'm going to fold this part. So the next thing that we're going to be doing now, yes, I think I'm done with that. Just see. So let's go back to this one. Yes, this one I said I did a mistake. Let's go back to this one. We have the measurements. I'm going to be giving you measurements of 5 inches by 41 inches. Yes. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using my elastic, my tiny elastic. I'm going to be using this elastic. Then I'm going to pull it inside. I'm going to just see. Then I'm going to tie it and I'm going to cut that part. So the next I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be I will stitch that part, or I use my needle or thread, or use your hot glue. It just depends on what you want. In that part, you can use your ribbon, your lib is your ribbon, hmm? Your tack ribbon to close that part. If you have a ribbon, you can just use it to cover that part. So I'm going to pull this one in. Let's see what we're doing. And don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. You can follow me on Instagram as of Mina Collections. You can follow me on our Facebook. Our Facebook group is as of Mina. Please subscribe. Share this video. So we are done with that. And I'll be seeing you next time on my. This is the tutorial we made so far. This is tutorial we made so far. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.